Tracking project progress in Monday.com can be a game changer, but with all the features it offers, it can also feel overwhelming. In this video, I'm going to show you how to track project progress in Monday.com efficiently and give you some alternatives you might want to consider for even better results. Stick around till the end for some exclusive tips on how to get the most out of your project tracking, plus a free trial offer you won't want to miss. First things first, when you create a project in Monday.com, you'll want to set up a board. Your board is essentially your project workspace, and it's here that you'll organize all tasks and milestones. The key to tracking project progress is understanding how to break down your project into manageable steps. This means setting up a timeline, adding tasks, and assigning responsibilities. Next thing, you'll want to make use of the status column. This is where the magic happens when it comes to tracking progress. By using different colors to represent stages of your project, like not started, in progress, and completed, you can easily see where everything stands at a glance. But here's the catch: if you're working with a large team, this can get a little tricky. Some users find it tough to manage tasks when there are many updates in real time. So, while the status column is powerful, you might want to consider keeping it simplified if you're handling large-scale projects. The third thing is the timeline view, which I love for tracking the overall timeline of your project. You can visually track task progress and deadlines, which helps when you're managing multiple tasks at once. This is especially handy for those who prefer seeing the big picture in a calendar-like format. However, some users have reported that this view can be a bit clunky if your project has a lot of moving parts. It can take some time to adjust to the interface. The fourth thing, and one of my personal favorites, is the workload view. It shows how much work is assigned to each person, allowing you to quickly spot if someone is overloaded or if a project is running behind. The downside here is that if you have a team that's working across multiple boards, you might find this feature to be less effective than you'd expect. It's a great idea, but it could be better with more integrations to truly visualize everyone's load across your entire team. Next up, let's talk about automations. Monday.com's automation feature lets you set up automatic updates based on task completion or progress. This could be really helpful to eliminate the need for constant checking. However, not all automations are perfect, and there can be occasional delays in task status updates. So while automations save time, they may not always be 100% accurate, especially on large projects. Now, the last thing you should consider when tracking project progress in Monday.com is the reporting tool. You can generate a variety of reports to analyze how your project is progressing and see whether you're on schedule or falling behind. But the reports can sometimes be a bit basic and not as customizable as other platforms, so don't expect to do in-depth analysis without some limitations. Now, I mentioned there are some great alternatives you might want to explore if tracking project progress in Monday.com doesn't fit your needs. A strong competitor that I recommend is Alternative Software, which provides an even more intuitive interface for project tracking, better visual timelines, and more robust reporting tools. Plus, their integration features and automations are far more seamless. You'll still get a free trial with Alternative Software, and through our link, you'll access an exclusive extended free trial and special benefits that are not available anywhere else. So, to wrap it up, Monday.com is a solid tool for project progress tracking, but there are some drawbacks like limited customization in reports and issues with automation speed. If you need something with smoother reporting and more powerful integrations, definitely check out Alternative Software. Remember, through our link, you'll get the best free trial available and the exclusive benefits just for our viewers. Don't miss out, and happy project managing!